Unraveling the praise. Understanding, rave about someone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we've got a special phrase on the menu. Rave about someone. You might have heard it tossed around in conversations or seen it sprinkled in writings. But what does it really mean? Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about this expressive phrase, ensuring you can use it confidently in your English conversations. To rave about someone means to speak very enthusiastically or with excessive praise about that person. It's when you can't stop talking about how amazing someone is, often because of their achievements, qualities, or something remarkable they've done. Imagine your favorite artist dropping a new album, and it's all you can talk about, praising its brilliance to anyone who will listen. That's raving. The term rave has an interesting history. Originally, it meant to show signs of madness or delirium, quite far from the positive connotation it holds today when we use it in the context of praising someone. Over time, its meaning evolved to reflect extreme enthusiasm, not just for people but also for things or experiences, like movies, books, or concerts. Let's put theory into practice. Here are a few examples. I've been raving about my mentor to everyone at work. Her guidance has been invaluable. After the concert, all I could do was rave about the singer's incredible performance. My parents rave about their doctor all the time because of his attentive care. These examples show how you can incorporate rave about someone into your everyday conversations, highlighting someone's positive aspects or achievements. Raving about someone can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's a beautiful way to show appreciation and admiration, spreading positive vibes about someone's work or character. On the other hand, it's important to keep our adulations genuine. Overdoing it can sometimes lead to skepticism about the sincerity of your praise. So, rave wisely. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rave about someone. We hope you're now feeling more equipped to use this phrase in your English communications, adding a layer of enthusiasm and praise where it's due. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing our genuine feelings and thoughts about the world and people around us. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to raving about more interesting English phrases with you in future videos. Happy learning!